Hello, welcome to our presentation for the Statistic in Engineering course. Today, we are very happy to present to you our statistic report. First of all, I would like to talk about our abstract. Basketball players in EuroLeague are becoming more competitive every year. Using the 2023 and 2024 EuroLeague sample, we analyzed the relationships between basketball player earnings and other variables to see if hypothesis was true. We choose EuroLeague players because of our interest of basketball. Assist three-point attempts and their aids are collected as well as their heights, points scored during the match. Match recording and the team system often provide data about players. The sample size and data coverage are broader with this approach. Basketball players' salaries can be compared to other parameters by using the models we use.
Player earnings in EuroLeague basketball are shaped by factors like performance metrics and access to top training facilities. This report examines the intricate economics of EuroLeague basketball, including player contracts, endorsements, and agency roles to help stakeholders make informed decisions about basketball and finances in the league. In figures, the provided R code calculates the correlation between basketball players' heights and salaries, creates a histogram showing the frequency distribution of heights, and generates a scatter plot illustrating the relationship, one of them between height and salary. And you can see the rest on our presentation and in our report.
A method of statistical techniques known as regression analysis is used in statistical modeling to ascertain the correlation between one or more independent variables and a dependent variable. In addition, there doesn't seem to be any relationship between height and salary in the regression model. However, the report's subsequent sections will go into more detail regarding the model's explanatory power and other statistical analyses.
This analysis examines the relationship between assist rate and salary, focusing on basketball players aged 3.2 and 52.6. A scatter plot shows a positive correlation with salaries, generally increasing with higher assist rates. This analysis examines the relationship between 3-point odds and salary in basketball players. Results show a positive correlation with salaries increasing with increased odds. A linear regression model reveals a positive effect on salaries.
The analysis looks at how salaries change as people get older. Focusing on those aged 28 to 36, it finds that generally as people age, their salaries tend to go up. However, the data doesn't show a clear pattern, indicating other factors also play a role. By using a special math tool called the linear regression model, researchers found that age does indeed have a positive impact on salary. This analysis looks at how basketball players' salaries change depending on their match point rates, which are between 8.8 and 16.8. It finds that generally as players' match point rates go up, their salaries tend to increase too.
According to the ANOVA result, we conclude that insufficient data exists to make firm determination regarding the presence of significant variation in the dependent variables' mean values among the groups. We are therefore unable to disprove the null hypothesis, which states there are no appreciable differences between the groups. Also, by looking at the p-values, it is possible to deduce that in the event that the p-value is less than 0.05, there is a significant departure from a normal distribution. Moreover, a point estimate is a kind of estimate that reports data on a population parameter as a single value or point using a single value, frequently a statistical sample. The margin error, the confidence level, and the point estimate make up three components of the confidence interval equation.
When the basic assumption of parametric tests are not met by the data, non-parametric tests are helpful tools in statistical analysis. The Kruskal-Wallis test, the Kolmogorov-Smirnov goodness of fit test, and the Wilcoxon-Signet rank test are used to analyze data relating to pay and other factors in this article. The correlation coefficient in a correlation analysis is the exact measure of the strength of the linear relationship between two variables, which is utilize a Pearson correlation coefficient. The null hypothesis states that different parameters show that the salary distribution of basketball players differs from one another. In addition, the alternative hypothesis states that there is a difference in the distribution of basketball players' earning in relation to other parameters.
The analysis reveals for EuroLeague basketball players' income is influenced by various factors, including height, assist percentage, points per game, and three-point attempts, and it's influenced by market demand and player reputation. Lastly, here are our references that we use while we are preparing this project. We hope it was a useful presentation about our report for everyone. Thank you very much for your attention. We wish you a good day and good work.